Hi there, my name is Beth Brown and I'm the Seed Growth Specialist for Bayer for Southern Alberta. Today I'm going to talk to you about water volumes and Trilex EverGol. Trilex EverGol is our pulse seed treating product that is a full formulated concentration, meaning that you have to add water to it or some sort of carrier in order to apply it to the seed. Our general recommendation for Trilex is 7:1, 7 parts water to 1 part Trilex. However, it being a concentrate offers so many options and so much flexibility to make sure that you're maximizing the seed treatment coverage on your farm. More specifically speaking, if you're treating something like small lentils, you can bump that water volume down to say a 5:1 or a 6:1. If you're treating something like peas or fabas, you can bump it up to a 7:1 or an 8:1. And then if you're treating something like chickpeas, you have the option to play around with it. Since this is a little bit bigger of a seed, it's got more ridges and edges to it, and you're looking for a little bit better coverage. So you can bump it up to a 10:1 or a 14:1. If you notice that your seed is coming out too wet, you have the option to back off on those water volumes. However, if your seed is coming out dry or you're not quite getting the coverage that you want, you always have the option to increase those water volumes as well. In terms of using Stress Shield on Trilex EverGol, Stress Shield acts as a carrier just like water would. So for however much Stress Shield we are adding in, that's how much water you would take out of the equation. If you have any questions when it comes to mixing up your Trilex EverGol, you have a few options. You can either go online to the Bayer website and get some instructions there. You can go into the crop protection guide, as well as instructions in the box of Trilex, or you can contact your Bayer representative.